Hi everyone, Af here. I came across another really nifty feature in Excel, and I just wanted to share it with you, particularly around getting some quick descriptive stats on some data that you might have in an Excel spreadsheet. So I've just quickly put in some data here. Let's say that I've got some height and weight data, and I've got 15 observations. And what I could do is I could do the equals function and do things like, find the average of these data. So doing that kind of more individually, but that sort of takes time in terms of you have to input all the formulae and that kind of thing. But I found this really nifty add-in that Microsoft Excel has. If you go to your Tools menu and go into Excel add-ins, there's this analysis tool pack that you can put in to Excel. So if you click on OK with that and then head to your Data tab on your ribbon, you then get this Data Analysis button. So if you click on that Data Analysis button, it gives you all these different types of analyses that can be run on bits of data within your Excel spreadsheet. Probably the most useful to have a quick snapshot of what is going on with your data is the descriptive statistics. And so just to give you an illustration of how that works, if you click on that, you select your input range. So it would be something like that. It's grouped by columns, not by rows. There is a label in the first row, so it will know what the label is because it's there. The output range, you can just sort of, put it somewhere there, for instance. And then you can also ask for these different summary statistics and, say the third largest and, the third smallest value. That's if you have lots of values and that kind of thing. And then once you click OK, it will return a whole bunch of data just really quickly. So you've got, a nice sort of quick snapshot of the data. So, for instance, the average was 172 for the height, etc. Standard deviation. You get things like kurtosis and skewness, so you get an idea of which way the data is, or the shape of the data, how it looks, minimum, maximum, all that kind of thing. So I just thought I would share that with you. Because I think it's really handy sort of feature if you just want to quickly have some descriptive stats without sort of having to plug it into a different piece of software like SPSS or R or something like that. Cool, hope that was helpful.